Dim the lights, take it slow. There's velvet on the radio. The city's rushing past the glass, but we don't owe it anything. Your shadow dances next to mine. The room begins to softly swing. No reservations, nowhere else. No grand occasion we should make. Just pour the evening in our cups and let the silence have a taste. Every little worry can wait outside the door. Come a little closer, that's what the night is for. Let the whole world hurry, we don't have to go. Tonight moves like velvet on the radio. Stay inside this moment, let the hours unfold. You and me together, taking life slow. Ooh, turn it down, let the feeling glow. Ooh, stay around, there's velvet on the radio. The ice is melting in your drink. A sleepy trumpet fills the air. You smile before you say a word, as if our secrets hide in there. Tomorrow always comes too soon, with all its traffic, clocks and calls. So leave your coat across the chair. Tonight we're going nowhere at all. Every little worry can wait outside the door. Come a little closer, that's what the night is for. Let the whole world hurry, we don't have to go. Tonight moves like velvet on the radio. Stay inside this moment, let the hours unfold. You and me together, taking life slow. Taking life slow. Dim the lights, don't let me go. Leave the velvet on the radio.